welcome to Ganda Umaga Formis. Ganda Umaga number 1.
Magandang umaga, Formis. Magandang umaga.
So sorry for the title no.
Try to keep quiet.
Guys, like quiet.
Quiet daw. Sit down.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Ganda Umaga Formis. Ganda Umaga to you. Ganda Umaga guys.
Gandang umaga, Formis.
Okay. I'm so happy that you are here joining us today, the Comparable talk show, comedy show, basta show. And today, the biggest and the most known in shoe business impersonator. Our first guest in the soap opera every night, I Love to Last. She's a very good actress. Let's welcome guys the backstage, Miss Bea. How are you? Are you hungry? Bea, what do you say to your followers? Just thank you. How are you? Oh, really? Bea, my question is, how was the experience doing a soap opera with Ian in the movie? You feel bad? Okay, let's proceed to our game now because this is talk show / game show. And then it's just assume that we are in the pageant. Do you have any experience in pageant? Like, oh really? It's a Q&A portion. Are you ready? My first question is, what is your favorite part of your body? Your neck? Really? Where's your neck?
Ano question?
And then,
What is your favorite
part
in your body?
aside from acting or you know how to dance or sing? Modeling? Okay, can you show us some modeling in front of your followers? Like, show modeling. Okay, everyone, let's give a round of applause. Okay. I want to invite them to your show every night. Okay, thank you, Bea. Yeah, thank you again, Bea. And in our second guest, guys, is one of the most influential TV business actress. We knew her with her Biggest Break and Forevermore. Then followed with big screen movies like Just the Way You Are and My Ex and Wives. And lastly, her biggest achievements, guys, is that she played the role as Tara Nasun. Let's all welcome, guys, Miss Liza. Okay, so congrats guys because we heard that you are one of the top 10 of the most beautiful faces in the world. What would you say about that? And Liza, we heard also that you will be playing the role as Lana. Do you think you can do it? What can you say about the comment of your bashers? He will play the role Darna Liza. Right now, we're going to play a game to know what this was done? Okay, as you will be playing the role, Darna, this will be for you. Pass down. Boxers or free? Why boxer? So now, your followers want you to be different and you'll be Miss Universe soon or someday. Here's a question for you. If you will die tomorrow, why not today? Let's go, Then I'll talk some talent, aside from acting also. Do you know how to sing? Okay, can you show them your talent? Okay guys, Liza knows how to sing. boyfriend has AIDS, will you still love him?
Of course